Guys, today I will be playing with Facepolumees Reload Zero Build Duos. So let's get into it.
Yeah.
Don't ask, he's a little bit crazy.
I know. Grace is computer. Yeah.
Oh, ready up.
Let's play.
He's like retired. He still plays sometimes, but not that much.
With friends.
Yeah, with friends, so. And you already might seen the new squeaky gun, and you might know it's my favorite gun right now.
My favorite gun is pump shotgun. Legendary pump shotgun, but it's not. It's real. It's here.
Yum. So, like, this is my main drop spot in the lizard. It's the lizard things, like I said before. Let's go land there, Facepolumees.
There. Destiny.
Yeah, lizard links. And my second drop spot of the Oasis is this place.
Don't blame me. I haven't played since chapter 6 season 2. I was like little holiday of Fortnite.
Nad on kuskil katusel keegi veel.
Yeah, I'm jogging a big ball. Appi, help me! Hästi! Good!
One more Regin. Oh, ta hiilib seal.
I'm very
Siin, tule!
My God!
Bro, what the hell? Oh, play again.
I have 3 FPS.
I have the FPS.
I like brains.
So, comment your favorite map too, so I can know. And I might
Ready up, yeah.
start liking that map too. Like the most.
Right.
Bro, I just got disconnected.